For over a century, cars ran on petrol, loud, powerful, and familiar. These vehicles shaped our cities, our commutes, and even our culture. The roar of engines and the smell of gasoline became part of daily life, symbols of freedom and progress. But now, the streets are buzzing with something new. Electric cars, sleek, quiet, and futuristic, they glide almost silently, turning heads and sparking curiosity wherever they go. Why the sudden shift? Rising fuel prices and growing environmental concerns are pushing people to rethink how they drive. Smog-filled skies and unpredictable gas costs have made many question the old ways. Electric cars promise zero tailpipe emissions and a cleaner conscience. For city dwellers, that means fresher air and quieter neighborhoods. For drivers, it's a chance to be part of the solution, not the problem. The numbers are staggering. In 2024, over 17 million electric cars were sold worldwide, bringing the global total to nearly 58 million. That's more than ever before, and the pace is only accelerating. This isn't a niche anymore, it's a tidal wave. Electric vehicles are becoming a common sight, from bustling city centers to quiet suburban streets. People are choosing electric for practical reasons, not just for the planet. Lower running costs, fewer moving parts to maintain, and the convenience of charging at home are winning over families and commuters alike. Governments are offering incentives, and engineers are racing to improve batteries. New breakthroughs promise longer ranges and faster charging, making electric cars more accessible than ever. The conversation has moved from if to when electric cars will take over. Automakers, policymakers, and drivers are all part of this global shift. We're witnessing a revolution, much like the leap from horse-drawn carriages to motor cars. The transition is happening in real time, reshaping how we move and live. There are challenges ahead, like building enough charging stations and making batteries more sustainable, but the momentum is unstoppable. The electric car story is unfolding right before our eyes, connecting people across continents and inspiring new ideas about mobility. And it's only just begun. The journey to an electric future is underway, and everyone's invited to be part of it. Electric cars are winning drivers over with a triple threat: cleaner, cheaper, and quicker. First, the environment: no exhaust, no smog, just cleaner air for our cities. Next, the cost: fewer moving parts mean less maintenance and no more oil changes. You save on fuel and on trips to the garage. Over time, those savings add up. And then there's performance. Instant torque means electric cars launch off the line with surprising speed. The acceleration is smooth, silent, and addictive. It makes city driving and merging onto highways effortless. Electric cars satisfy both the practical and the passionate driver. You get a thrilling ride and peace of mind. It's rare for a technology to tick so many boxes at once. And that's why electric cars aren't just a fad. They're a genuine upgrade. The old way of driving is being left behind. The first time you drive an electric car, the silence is striking. There's no rumble beneath your feet, no vibration in the seat, just a calm, almost meditative quiet that feels futuristic and refreshing. No engine roar, just a gentle beep and a smooth glide forward. The car responds instantly, moving with a grace that feels almost effortless, as if you're floating above the road. The cabin becomes a peaceful oasis, making every journey more relaxing. Road noise fades away, replaced by soft conversation or your favorite playlist, undisturbed by the usual mechanical clatter. Conversations are easier, music sounds better, and stress melts away. Even in heavy traffic, the calm interior helps you stay centered and focused. But don't mistake quiet for boring. Electric cars are quick and nimble. Their acceleration surprises first-time drivers, delivering instant power with just a tap of your foot. Instant torque makes them responsive, and the low battery placement keeps them stable through corners. The handling feels precise, giving you confidence on winding roads or city streets alike. One-pedal driving, thanks to regenerative braking, lets you slow down and recharge with ease. It's intuitive, making stop-and-go traffic less tiring and more efficient. Most city driving can be done without touching the brake pedal. You simply ease off the accelerator, and the car slows itself, capturing energy that would otherwise be lost. It's efficient, smooth, and futuristic. The digital displays and modern design remind you that you're part of something new, something that's changing the way we move. Electric cars transform driving from a noisy chore into a calm, enjoyable experience. Whether you're commuting or exploring, every trip feels a little more special. The future isn't just electric, it's peaceful. Streets are quieter, cities feel cleaner, and the world seems just a bit more serene. And once you try it, there's no going back. The comfort, the quiet, and the thrill of instant acceleration make it hard to imagine driving anything else. The revolution is silent, but it's everywhere. Charging stations are popping up in neighborhoods, workplaces, and highways, making electric driving more accessible than ever. Welcome to the new era of driving, where innovation meets tranquility and every journey is a step toward a cleaner, quieter world. The electric future isn't without obstacles. Charging is the biggest challenge. Public chargers are still less common than petrol stations. Range anxiety is real, especially for long trips. Electric cars cost more upfront, mainly due to expensive batteries. While prices are dropping, affordability remains a barrier for many. Charging takes longer than filling a tank, even with fast chargers. Building a nationwide charging network is a massive task. Battery production raises environmental and ethical questions, from mining to disposal. Recycling is growing, but scaling up is crucial for sustainability. Overcoming these hurdles will take innovation, investment, and time. The road isn't smooth yet, but progress is accelerating. Every challenge is an opportunity for smarter solutions. The journey to an all-electric future is just getting started. Let's zoom in on Egypt, a country ready for change. As of early 2025, only about 8,500 electric vehicles are on Egyptian roads. That's less than 0.1%, but it's a start. The government is prioritizing electric vehicles, aiming to modernize industry and create high-tech jobs. Policies like tax incentives are attracting investment and encouraging local manufacturing. International brands like Citroën and MG are introducing Egyptians to electric mobility. These pioneers are building confidence in the technology. Still, the market is in its infancy. EVs make up less than 1% of car sales. It's a classic chicken and egg problem. More EVs need more infrastructure and vice versa. Growth is steady, but the tipping point is near. Egypt stands at the threshold of an electric future. The ambition is clear, and the first steps have been taken. The journey is underway. Egypt isn't just importing electric cars, it's gearing up to build them, right on its own soil. The country is setting its sights on becoming a true automotive innovator, not just a consumer. Local companies like GB Corp and Egypt Sat Auto are planning mass production of Egyptian-made EVs, aiming to put thousands of new vehicles on the road each month. Egypt Sat Auto alone is targeting 5,000 vehicles a month, a bold move that signals a push for both affordability and accessibility for Egyptian drivers. This could make electric vehicles a common sight in cities and towns across the country. El Nasser Automotive, a historic brand with deep roots in Egypt's industrial past, is back in action, this time with a focus on electric mobility and public transport solutions, including electric buses for city streets. These moves blend heritage with innovation, connecting Egypt's proud automotive legacy to its electric future. Engineers are working side by side, bridging generations of expertise. Battery production is also ramping up, with Shift EV and government-backed plants leading the way. These facilities are crucial for powering the next generation of Egyptian-made vehicles. Localizing battery manufacturing not only reduces costs and builds self-sufficiency, but also creates new jobs and technical expertise within Egypt's workforce. The goal is clear: a sustainable, homegrown EV industry that can serve local needs and eventually compete on the global stage. Made in Egypt could soon be a mark of innovation. These efforts could transform Egypt from a car importer to a regional leader in electric vehicles, exporting technology and expertise across Africa and the Middle East. The ambition is bold, and the groundwork is being laid with new factories, skilled engineers, and government support driving the vision forward. If successful, Egypt's electric dream could become a reality for millions, making clean transportation accessible to families and businesses alike. The pieces are coming together, from assembly lines to charging infrastructure, as Egypt builds a new chapter in its industrial story. The future is being built at home, and Egypt's journey toward electric mobility is just getting started.